We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to always constantly work on improving our processes and to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value our customers new and old and treat them equally with great customer service. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.